A murder solve rate below 50% for the past 5 years has set a standard for unsolved cases for the Royal St. Lucia Police Force.
Of course, this year, having solved some of those murders from 2023 would have brought up the statistics from what would have been recorded last year. So an update of last year would make a 40% clearance rate. This year, we're hovering around the 33% clearance rate mark. Of course, the year is not over.
Despite this detection rate, Acting Assistant Commissioner Luc de Freitas, overseeing the Central Division of the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, remains hopeful that more murder cases will be resolved in the coming months.
That there are about 20 homicides that we are well on course to put to closure, hopefully within the next couple of months.
The Royal St. Lucia Police Force's High Command is optimistic that recent initiatives under newly appointed Acting Police Commissioner Verngard will strengthen crime prevention, giving investigators critical space to concentrate on solving cases.
We have, for example, caused the merger of 3 units: our bicycle patrol unit, our community relations branch, and our press office, into a community policing unit. And of course, that approach would be one of what we tend to sometimes describe as softer approaches to complement the more robust operations that we continue to mount on a daily basis. So, like I said, having implemented some of these measures from September, we are now in the month of November. We need some time to see how our measures really create an impact.
According to statistics provided by the Rslpf, 22 murders were solved in 2024 by law enforcement, as well as 6 murder cases solved that were committed in 2023. Rslpf, HTS News Force.